Howrah New Delhi Rajdhani Express, one of the first Rajdhani Express trains of Indian Railways. This is my coach H2, and my cabin, I got a coupe this side that is B number. With me are Anubhav and Arnab. They are coming here to see me off. So this is my first experience on the Rajdhani Express. Let's see how it fares. I'm super excited about this trip. This is the trip which I've been waiting for more than 1 year. So let's see how it fares. And this is a look at the Howrah railway station. You can see the cars can directly come into the railway station. There's a cars there, and this is my train. That's one of the best things only Howrah railway station has got, which is really awesome. You can see, no need to rush, no need to check in, just come directly to the railway station and just check in. So soon I'll just check. My name is this is my coach 12301 H2, and you can see my name, that is right here, Dennis Jacob. So we're about to board this train. Let's see how the journey prospers. I will give you regular update with time to time, and thank you so much. So here we are departing from Howrah railway station. These are my friends. Everyone, bye bye. And that is something. Yep, right everyone. We depart bang on time, and as you can see, the cars are literally parked near to the train, which is itself an incredible thing to do. And we are about to leave Howrah railway station, and we are leaving Howrah railway station. So let's see, we'll keep on posting next updates. Till then, thank you. And this is my H1 coupe. You can see it's super clean, well maintained. After all, this train is the pride of Eastern Railways. And this is my cabin B, and cabin B, my berth is the upper berth. And as you can see, there's a lot of special things which you mostly see in Howrah and as well as BCD Rajdhani. And this is a very lovely painting. I think it's Madhubani painting, not very sure. But stay tuned. Let's enjoy the journey. We'll keep you posted. And so here we are served with I think, what is this? This is, welcome drinks. We have got Chach here, and this is Mr. Prateek Kumar. Thank you for providing such wonderful meals to us. We hope the journey will be very much smooth, and thank you. आपका नाम सर जी? धनंजय जी, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका भी. तो हम देखते हैं आगे क्या जर्नी होती है. Let's hope हमारी जर्नी it will be very interesting. So thank you so much, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir. Yeah, welcome. Finally, we are departing Janai Road, and the ticketing inspector sir has come, and he's just checking our tickets. And he's a very smart and pleasant guy. You can see Mr. R.S. Dohari. Yeah, he's so ever smile, laughing, which is very good. You should always greet customers with smile, which is very good. Good attitude. And I think there's another LHB train passing. Most probably that is Purva Express, I suppose. Yes, that is Purva Express only. And yep, we are blasting towards next halt. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Next halt would be, I think, Vardhaman. Next stopping station. No. Next stop is Dhanbad. Dhanbad. Okay, sorry. Next stopping station is Dhanbad. So let's see how is it reaches on time or not. Thank you. So now it's tea time, and the butler is serving, setting on the table, and we will be served tea. In the meantime, one freight train BCNA rake is blasting parallelly to our side. Till now the journey is very fascinating. I have a good co-passenger with me. Mr. आपका नाम sir?
J.S. Lali.
Yeah, namaste sir. Yes. So my co-passenger is really very friendly, and
my pleasure.
We are having a very good time here, discussing things, talking. So I really hope that journey will be very exciting. Let's see what happens next. Thank you. So we are overtaking some another train. I just don't know. Some train belong to ER, and let's check out the loco link of this train. It's a parallel overtake, and we are clocking 130 kilometers. That train should be approx 110. I couldn't find the name from what does it say? I don't know. But it's a stunning overtake. I'll ask friends from Eastern Railway that it's a WAP 4 from Howrah Shed. And we just departed, just crossed next station heading, that is Dhanbad. Till now a fantastic experience. We just had our snacks. We just gave the order for the dinner. Let's see what the dinner comes. I'm super excited in traveling this train. So let's continue the journey. The painting is there, the view from the coupe is excellent, everything is excellent, just fantastic. I just rate this train 5 out of 5. It is a must to travel in this train. It's very fantastic. Thank you. This is what I'm talking about. Howrah Rajdhani blasting at 130 kilometers per hour. You can see the stations are ripping up, literally ripped apart, and that is the power of Howrah Rajdhani, the top priority train in this Delhi to Howrah route. Let's see how it prospers. Still now running bang on schedule, bang on speed, dot on time. What a power. Let's see it continues its run. Still then enjoy the run. So the soups have arrived, and this is the caviar.
A vegetable cutlet.
This is vegetable cutlet, which is a really cool thing, and
Stick butter.
this is butter, and this is breadstick, and this is entirely different thing. The cutlet thing, I first time experiencing in any Rajdhani. So shortly we are approaching Dhanbad railway station. Just an announcement passed when the person was just serving. Currently the train is running 2 minutes ahead of schedule. I just checked the train query. It says on time, but actually it is 2 minutes ahead of schedule. So let's see. Let's let the next journey commence. Thank you. So the soups are served. I'm sorry, I just ate the soup. I was starving, and along with the soup we got this fine cutlets. It is a new introduction. I haven't seen it on any Rajdhani. This is the first time I'm eating soup, and this is a vegetable soup which looks awesome and tastes awesome. So let's dig in. Let's continue with the food. Thank you. So we are now departing Parsanath railway station. The train is just started moving. Until now it is dot on time. Let's see how it performs all the way to Delhi. I'll look at the station, a quite deserted station. I don't know why the heck someone added a stop here. Hardly see anyone either boarding or deboarding here, but it's okay. That's the railway board's decision. Tomorrow if they want to stop at Tilak Bridge, they will definitely provide it, as long as they get passengers. So now you can see the acceleration of the VAP7 locomotive. It's taking it's rapidly accelerating from the Parsanath railway station, and it's a very clean station, I must say. So after this station departs, hopefully we will get the dinner. Parsanath, okay, that's the name. So finally we are served with the yummy dinner. I was really starving, and look at the packing. It's just gorgeous. It's just fabulous. Let's open this thing. Let's see what is inside it. I believe this is chicken. Yes, it is chicken. I was so right. Looks awesome, nah? It just looks delicious. And this would be, wow. This is some mashed potatoes, and this I guess this will be some vegetable item. Yep, this is a vegetable, and this is dal. Looks awesome as well. And below would be a roti, and we have asked them not to serve us not to serve me rice, so they added extra parantha. Let's see how it tastes. Thank you. So we just have called for the bed setup. आपका नाम क्या सर जी?
मेरा नाम कन्हैया सर.
Mr. Kanhaiya sir is here. He is setting our bed, and look how comfortably he is doing his work. He is an excellent man. A good smile on his face, and he is setting the bed for us. That's so nice of him. And meanwhile, we just had some awesome, fantastic dinner. The dinner was very good, and the cook who made, I will give my special compliments to him. And it's a must. You must travel in this train to enjoy this fantastic meal. And yes, every staff here is very polite, very decent, very much friendly, which is good. When you are paying so much for first class, you expect good services. And as a result of the services, yep. And finally, our bed is tucked in. We are just ready to sleep. Thank you, Mr. Kanhaiya ji. You did a very good job. Thank you. Morning, early morning blast, and I am supposed we are overtaking Gorakhdham, if I'm not wrong. Yes, that is Gorakhdham Express. We just overtook Gorakhdham Express and it's blasting at 130 kmph. And this is the look. The train is fairly good, performing excellent. Speed is rocketing. Everything about this train is just class apart. And I'm really experiencing every bit of the journey. I'm happy with the journey. So it's day 2 and the early morning tea has arrived. Along with tea we have the newspaper. One is Dainik Jagran, which I will not read. The second, okay, Indian Express, that is good. That's a newspaper. So train is currently slightly little late, 2 minutes late. We just have passed Ekdil railway station some time ago. And let's see. Thank you. And this is some other train which we are overtaking. I don't know which one it is, but belongs to ER. So can anyone tell me which this one is? And yes, we are continuing our blast at fact 130 kilometers per hour. We just had some awesome tea, and the train is showing its sheer power and aggression. So we are skipping Tundla right now. There is a caution PSR of 15. That is why we are skipping at a very slow speed. After that, okay. So this is a huge junction. Even Lucknow Shatabdi used to stops here. But since it's a Rajdhani, none of the Rajdhani stops. Every Rajdhani here does Kanpur Delhi non-stop. And with extreme caution we are proceeding. station is pretty clean. Even for a small station, the railways have really maintained this station. Proper cleaning and everything is going. And yes, not even a single dirt on the platform, which is really cool. So now we have exited Tundla, and currently again we have gained some speed. We are right now on time, on schedule. So that's it. Thank you. So we have our new co-passengers. That is naam kinka?
Lucky.
Yeah, we have Lucky. Hello, Lucky.
Hi, Lucky.
And this was a total surprise. Lucky is very excited, and Lucky is totally surprised right where he is going. And hi, Lucky. How are you? Oh my God.
याद करेगा.
So after the light cornflakes breakfast, we have finally the bread omelette. I must say this, guys, this just looks awesome. The bread is sealed from harvest and it is freshly cooked. You can see it just looks beautiful. I'm just gonna dig in and we'll say how the food tastes. I hope it tastes good. I know it tastes good. Let's just get in. Thank you.